is Earth, this is Moon, this is Earth, this is Moon, and this is Sun. Now the solar eclipse has started, and this is the partial solar eclipse. Now this is total solar eclipse. Now the solar eclipse has ended.
Made by me. First, to form an eclipse, the sun, the moon, and the earth should be in a straight line. Now, the sun's rays first pass through the moon, then through the earth. The moon casts a shadow over the earth. The people living on the shadow can see total occurred during the new.
Good morning, Sita. It's return journey. First, it comes to waning gibbous moon, in which we can see the moon very less like in which we see in waxing gibbous moon. And then we see the half moon. In this time, we can see the whole half moon. And then after 2-3 weeks and 2-3 days later,
I have made a model on lunar eclipse. When the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, earth cuts off the light reaching the moon from the sun. Thus, the moon is hidden by a dark shadow of the earth. When people on the earth cannot see the moon at all, it is called total. Thank you.
You might be thinking about the terms waxing and waning. Now, waxing means something getting closer to its maximum potential. Like new moon's maximum potential is full moon. Now, waning means something getting closer to its minimum potential. Like full moon's minimum potential is new moon.
I made the solar eclipse model. Solar eclipse occurs when moon comes between the earth and the sun. The moon is very small in front of the sun. It only blocks a part of it. Hence, solar eclipse can't be seen from every part of the earth. There are two major parts of the solar eclipse are penumbra and umbra.
the changes in the moon's shape are called the phases of the moon. From Earth, the moon may seem to change its shape, but actually it is always round. This is because as the moon orbits the Earth, the different parts of the moon side facing us is lit up by the sun's
Before we
light.
get to know what is solar and lunar eclipse, let's first see what's an eclipse. The partial or total blocking of light of one celestial object by another is called an eclipse. Eclipses are of two types. They are solar and lunar eclipse.
Each phase repeats itself every 29.5 days. The same half of the moon always faces the earth because of tidal locking. So, the phases will always occur over the same half of the moon's surface. There are 8 phases of the moon. First,
Comes between the sun and the earth. It throws its shadow on the earth. People on the earth will not able to see sun for some times. It is called total solar eclipse. This is earth, this is moon, and this is sun. While traveling around the earth, there comes a time during the journey when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. In this case, moon will cast shadow on the earth and the people on the earth will not see the sun for some time. It is called total solar eclipse. I have made the model of the phases of the moon. This model consists of new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waning gibbous, full moon, waxing gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent. ways the moon looks from the earth over about a month are known as phases of the moon. As the moon orbits around the earth, the half of the moon that faces the sun will be lit up. The different shapes of the lit portion of the moon that can be seen from the earth are known as phases of the moon.
Thank you. When moon slowly comes between the earth and sun is partial solar eclipse. Then the moon comes between the earth and sun and stop the light going to the sun. Stop the sunlight going to the earth is total solar eclipse. You can see this is sun, this is earth. These are phases of moon. The moon starts from full moon, new moon, then crescent moon, then half moon, then gibbous moon, then full moon, then again gibbous moon, then again half moon, then
The
crescent.
moon. We can see the moon in the sky because it reflects the light of the sun. The moon seems to change its phases. This is because the different sides facing us are lit up by the sun's light. This is a new moon. This is a waxing crescent moon. Then
What is solar eclipse and how it looks? Are you all ready? This is my solar eclipse model. Now, what is solar eclipse? As we can see, the moon is the in between of the sun and the earth. Due to this, the moon blocks the rays of the sun falling on the earth. This eclipse is known as
Solar eclipse forms when the moon comes between the sun and the earth. The moon blocks the sunlight to reach at the earth so that the people on the earth cannot see the sunlight to sunlight. The earth has two types of shadows. The darker one and the smaller, and the darker one is called the ambra and the lighter one is called the penumbra. At the time of an eclipse, the sun and the earth and the moon are in a straight line. While traveling around the earth, there comes a time during the journey when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. In this case, the moon will cast its shadow on the earth and the people on the earth will not see the sun for some time. It is called